Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain the meaning of geometric mean and why it's basically represented with such equation here, like the square root of, the multiplication of two numbers. Okay, so to show the meaning of a geometric mean, we should first review the arithmetic mean, the means that we all know, the average basically. Let's assume you have arithmetic series. Like 1, then you add 2, become 3, you add another 2, it becomes 5, you add another 2, it becomes 7, 9, 11, and so on. Okay, so you have here a step, and this step is equal to 2. And each number here is basically the previous number plus 2. Add 2, give you 5. Add another 2, give you 7, and so on. Okay. Here we have the concept of a middle. We have a middle number, our number between two numbers, and let's say we want to determine this number. Let's say we have the 3, we have the 7, and we want to know what's in the middle, which is basically 5. And 5 is the average, the arithmetic mean, the means that we all know, because 3 plus 7 divided by 2 is 10, divided by 2, it's 5. And you can, have other examples. Like, for example, we have the 1, we have the 5, and we want to know what's in the middle. Again, same principle. 1 plus 5 divided by 2, the average. This will give us 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Oh, remember now that we have also geometric series. So we studied, in mathematics, there are two kinds of series. There is the arithmetic series in which we add a step each time, and we have a geometric series in which we multiply by a step each time. So let's say we have this series here, 1, then we multiply by 2, it becomes 2. We multiply by 2, it becomes 4. We multiply by 2, it becomes 8. We multiply by 2, it becomes 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay, that's a geometric series. And each time we multiply by 2. Multiply 1 by 2 will give you 2. Multiply the 2 by another 2 will give you 4. Multiply the 4 by 2 will give you 8, and so on. Oh, let's now have the same problem. We have two numbers in the series, in the geometric series, and we want to determine the number in between. Okay, like we are given the 2, we are given the 8, and we want the number in between the 2 and the 8. Here we cannot use the arithmetic mean. We have to use the geometric mean. Okay, if we use the arithmetic mean, it will be wrong, because 2 plus 8 divided by 2, it's 10, divided by 2, it's 5. That's wrong, because the middle number is 4, not 5. But let's use the geometric mean. Okay, so we're gonna multiply the 2 by 8 and take the square root. So 2 by 8 is 16, and the square root of 16 is basically 4. Let's have another example. Let's say we are given the basically the 4 and 16, and we want the 8, which is a number in between basically. We multiply both. 4 multiplied by 16, that will give us 64 under the square root, and the square root of 64 is basically 8. So another correct answer. Okay, so why we have this geometric mean? Because it represents the middle number between two numbers in a geometric series. Okay, and that's why we have sometimes application for the arithmetic mean, which is the average. If you have a linear series, if you have arithmetic series in which you add each time. But if your application in mathematics, physics, engineering, whatever, have like a geometric series, a geometric sequence, in that case you have to use the geometric series, or sorry, geometric mean. And one example of that is the logarithmic scale. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to explain one example of the geometric series, which is basically the geometric, or sorry, basically the logarithmic scale in Bode plots. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video. Bye bye.